The next sound is O. O-N, as in font, the word font. Okay. Again, here you do not have to separate the N with O from O. It is not in French. It is not font but font. If this word exists in French, we will pronounce it font. Okay. So O-N, on, O-N-S, on, as the consonants at the end of the word, they are silent. So on, when is on, when they on, om is also a nasal sound. So on. So whenever you have on or om, they are pronounced on. Okay. So some examples, like there are two examples: nom, o, no, no, which means noun or name. Okay, name or noun, as the word in grammar. So no, which have two significations, like noun and name. Other one is no, on, no, which means no, the negative word no.